What's up, you guys? What's up? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are the best. Look at how I'm dressed. It cool. T-shirt on the other day. Full gear on today. And yeah, I have my gear on. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments, but I love it. Thank you so much for being here. Okay. Today, I'm not going to keep you long because it's chilly out here. The wind is blowing. And I want to give you an idea of what you can do to maximize your garden. Okay? What can you plant with those tomatoes and peppers? We're not going to waste a lot of space. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I hope you guys are having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're following all the rules. I'm not too long getting home from work from the hospital. And as you know, I try to come out here and make you guys a video. I've been gone the last couple of days because we've had so much rain and so much wind. And I'm scared of that tree. Okay, I'll play. All right, so you guys, today we're going to talk about what you can intercrop in your garden with your tomatoes right now, okay? So let's just dive right into the video. As you can see, we have the raised bed set up. And look, you guys, somebody's been creeping in my bed. They've been creeping, and I know who they are. Look, plants I just bought. Look at this one. Snapped in half completely. Okay, you guys, I'm going to stabilize the camera, but I just had to show y'all that. Yeah. Pretty soon I'm going to be selling lucky rabbit feet keychains. Yeah, okay. Ain't nobody got no money. So, yeah, they've been having a field day over here, y'all. Today we're going to talk about tomatoes, peppers, your raised bed. Even if it's not a raised bed, what you can do to maximize your space. As you can see, look at all this empty space, you guys. Empty space. Now I've dropped a few seeds in there, but I'm going to show you some quick things that you can plant in between your tomatoes that will love each other, feed off of each other, and utilize this soil. We don't want this soil just sitting out here exposed to the sun that's coming pretty soon with the weather, whenever it's going to come, and just burn up all the nutrients in our soil and all that good stuff, since we are outside. So what I'm going to do is show you some quick things that you can put in your ground right now between your tomatoes. I'm going to get you down in the ground with me. So, carrots. Carrots are a good item to grow next to your tomatoes. And here's a quick tip. Take your old Jiffy pellet thingy, or if you have one, or if you have something similar to this, a 6-pack or 12-pack soda bottle holder thingy. And this is how we're going to utilize our space. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. You're the best. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay. So what I'm going to do is take this little rack here. I want to get it to make sure. Yeah, there we go. I think. Can we do it like that? The wind is so strong, you guys. I apologize. Okay, so we got this down here. Take you a couple of seeds, and this way we know our carrots will be in a perfect shape. I'm just going to take my finger and make a little indentation, not a hole. Oops, I moved it, but I can see my indentation. Just make a little indentation. You can hold it down with your hand, y'all. I'm just trying to make this quick, fast, and a hurry for you guys. And I'm not going to do the whole thingy. I'm just going to do this square right here. Well, maybe one more row. And now we know these are going to be carrots. Perfectly spaced. Carrots are so small, you guys. A lot of people say just sprinkle a whole lot. That's a lot of thinning. And if you don't thin them, then, yeah, you're going to have an issue. So I try to plant a couple seeds in each. Couple seeds in each hole. They're very, very tiny, you guys. Very tiny. So yeah, just like that. And you would just go on and so forth and so on. Now, another item you might want to grow. And also try different types of carrots. Not just one brand. Try different types. Onions. Throw you some onions in here. They're great for deterring certain pests. And they're great to eat if you like onion. So get you some onion seeds. And you've watched me do onions before. And let's do some onions right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You guys, you know I like to succession plant. I like to plant more than one thing and then watch it all come up. Also, throw you some flowers in your garden, you guys. Attract the bees. Throw you some zinnia all and throughout, especially around the edges so the bees can see them. If you have some marigolds, just take you some and put around the edge. And press down a little bit. Go around and push them down. Just like that. Now I have some marigolds in the front coming up. And you know, you can sporadically place them however you want to do it. But this way you'll have things growing in your garden all year. Okay? Okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Celery. Celery is another good thing. We're going to take our measurer, cover this up. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. So when the tomatoes grow, they're going to kind of shield some of these vegetables that you think, oh, those are cool weather crops. You can't do that, Randy. You know, we do what we want to do, how we want to do it, when we want to do it. Okay, okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I got this scarf on just extra. I just had to put on a performance for y'all. I love you so much. Speaking of which, thank you so much for getting me monetized, you guys. I've been approved for the YouTube Partner Program, which means I may be able to make a coin or two. Okay, okay. And you know I'm going to put it right back in the garden. So if you like the channel, if you want to donate or, you know, anything you want to do, all the information is in the description box. And yeah, if you want to send me a coin or two, I'll show you what I do with it. So this is some celery. You really don't have to put the celery in here. I'm going to do it just in a space here. And you know, guys, I go back and I overplant because everything is not going to come up. So don't be like, that's not perfect. You didn't put that in there like that. Don't even worry about it. I'm trying to tell you, because once things start growing, they start growing. Let's try some of these fun carrots. These are Ox Heart, and they're supposed to be fairly large. So I'm just going to put a couple. Still a tiny seed, but we're going to make it work. We're just going to dabble, space these apart because they're supposed to get fairly large. Yeah, you guys, but I just want to show you. Go through your garden. Don't waste all this space. Plant some seeds. If they come up, they come up. If they don't, hey, what do you have to lose? Something's going to come up. Okay, okay. And there you have it. So, you can do carrots. You can do, you know, plant your flowers. Your peppers, of course. You can intertwine different types of peppers. Celery and onions are always a good crop. You can even throw some radish somewhere in here because it'll be up in a few weeks. And you'll have radish in between your harvest. So now, I'm going to show you how we harvest one of our carrots that we planted from seed. Now, I just showed you how I plant carrots. In about a month, it'll take you a month to get carrots that look like this. Now, these are coming out of the ground. How they got over here, I don't know, but we're going to let them do their thing. And now, the ones that I did sort of plant are over here in this raised bed. Over here in our lettuce and tomato bed. Look at the garden, you guys. But look at these carrots. Hope you can see. Carrots that have found their way over here. Some cilantro has found its way over here. Overplant, you guys. Overplant. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do anything. Look at what I did in a few weeks. And you guys watch me transplant this lettuce from over there, bit by bit. And now look at it. We have all different colors, shapes, sizes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's go and look at harvesting the carrot. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. Don't forget, click like, subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay. So, Here's our carrot bucket. Let me get you up here. There we go. It's not about me, it's about the plant. Here's one of our carrots, you guys. I've been growing this since about December, maybe January. Some of the seeds fell in here. It takes carrots a long time, 3 to 4 months, sometimes 4 or 5 months, as you can see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to get you as close as possible. What about right here? Is that a little better? And we're gonna go in. We're gonna go for it, okay? So we just wanna gently separate our carrot. I feel it. My first carrot ever, you guys. Yay! Okay, okay! It's the carrot dance. It's the carrot dance. You don't like it, I don't care it. You don't like it, I don't care it. Look, look, we got a carrot. All that time and this is all we get. But this is not all. This is like gold to me. Been trying and trying. I've been giving up too soon, I think, sometimes. But yeah, you guys, there you have it. That carrot you've been following. Isn't it nice to see some harvest? And another one. Oh, wow. Now see how it curved? Now what probably happened, may have been a pebble in there. Because like I said, a pepper plant grew in this pot last year. A huge green pepper plant. And it might have had a root there. Because whatever it hit, it's going to curve and try to keep going further down. But if it can't go further down, it'll curve. But look, you guys. And I'm not going to mess with the others because they're fairly small. Well, hey, oh! Ooh, never underestimate the little guy. No more. Ooh. Look, you guys. And it's the little one. See? What I was just showing you in the seed packet? Try all different types. Now I'm thinking about getting this one. Just because it's small and thin doesn't mean it didn't do anything. There you have it. My first carrot harvest, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. And as you can see, more baby carrots are coming up. Those little guys right there. They take forever. But, oh wow. They smell so good. And there we have it, you guys, our first carrots. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay, okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. You're the best.